Hello and welcome to Xperts Tech. Let's have a look at how to back up Active Directory Windows Server 2022. Maintaining the probity of the information is something that every Windows Server system administrator must take into account. There are different methods to create backups, but one of the most useful is to make use of Active Directory backups since it is where domain objects are managed. For this, the correct way is hardware at the disk level where the information is stored and the software that performs the task, the VSS, Volume Shadow Copy Service, is used. This work is to coordinate all the essential actions to create an operational snapshot on the system. Let's see how to create Active Directory backup in Windows Server 2022. Open Disk Management by right-clicking from the Start menu. Right-click on the disk where you want to have a backup and then select the properties. Click on the Shadow Copy tab, click on the backup disk and then select Settings. Select Maximum Size No Limit and then click OK. Click OK. Active Directory Backup in Server 2022. Open Windows Server Backup, select Local Backups, and then click on Backup Once under the Action menu. Backup Once wizard, click Next. Under Select Backup Configurations, tick on the Custom Radio button and then click Next. Click Add Items to select items for the backup. Select the System Status box and then click OK. Click on the Advanced Settings. Select the VSS Settings tab, select the full VSS backup box and then click OK. Click on Next. In this case, select the Local Drives box and click Next to select the drive where the Active Directory backup will be stored. Select the Backup button to start the Active Directory backup process. Windows Server Backup. Windows Server Backup Progress. Click Close, once the backup is done. Active Directory backup created successfully. This is the method to create an Active Directory backup copy in the Windows Server 2022 edition. For more details please visit Microsoft. If you like this video please subscribe to our channel.